Welcome, YouTube-vidente. You are very valuable and I'd like to have you here. Thank you very much for supporting our S.O.S channel. This video is part of a playlist I put together to showcase how to install scientific open source tools for free. Si habilitas los subtítulos de YouTube, también podrás disfrutar de nuestro contenido. Without further ado, let's enjoy this experience together.
Hello. Welcome again. Remember that subscribing to this learning channel is completely free. I am Remy, a Microsoft AI text-to-speech assistant. Let's continue our journey to consistently install scientific open source tools for free. In this video, I will guide you through the process of installing Git, the free version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. Let me guide you through the Git installation steps. After opening your favorite browser, click inside the search box. Type Download Git for Windows. Press Enter. Click the download button to download from git.scm.com downloads. To get the latest source release, click the Download for Windows button. Click the 64-bit Git for Windows Setup hyperlink. The download toolbox pops up to ask you what to do next. Click Save As. Navigate to see S.O.S downloads. Click Save. If your browser is using a default downloads location, then your installer file will be downloaded there. Go to Windows File Explorer. Navigate to see S.O.S downloads and double-click the Git installer application. Allow the installer application to make changes to your device, if prompted. Click Next to accept the license terms. Click inside the folder box and modify the installation folder for the Git release. For example, S.O.S Git 248.1. Then, click Next. Keep the default selected components and click Next. There is no need to create a Start menu folder. Then, uncheck the box to choose Don't create a Start menu folder. Then, click Next. Expand the drop-down menu to select a default Git editor. For example, use WordPad as Git's default editor. Click Next. Keep the Let Git Decide radio button to allow Git to adjust the name of initial branch. Currently, the initial branch is named Master. Then, click Next. Keep the second radio button selected to allow Git to add required entries to the path system variable, such that Git actions can be executed using a command interface. Click Next to continue. Click the Use Bundled Open SSH radio button. Then click Next. Click the Use the Open SSL Library radio button. Then click Next. Keep the default option for configuring the line ending conversions. Then click Next. Keep the default option for configuring the terminal emulator to use with Git Bash. Then click Next. Keep the default behavior of Git pull and click Next. To keep the default Git credential manager, click Next. Keep the default extra options. Then click Install. To skip viewing release notes, uncheck the box for View Release Notes. Click Finish. Let's now learn how to use the command line interface to configure some of the global options for Git. Use the Windows R shortcut to open the Command Run toolbox. Click inside the box. Type CMD, and then click OK. Run the command to configure a Git username. For example, to set James Silva Garcia as username, execute the command. Git config -- global user period name, James Silva Garcia. Run the command to configure a Git user email. For example, to set soster2025@outlook.com as user email, execute the command. Git config -- global user period email soster2025@outlook.com. To configure Git to use the S-channel SSL backend to improve the security of your Git repositories by using a more secure SSL protocol, execute the command git config -- global http period SSL backend S-channel. Click the X icon to close the CMD command interface. Congratulations, you are done. If you enjoyed the experience, please click the like button, scroll down to the comments section, and leave your feedback. Remember that you do not have to pay to subscribe to this channel. It is a simple way to reward James for sharing his skills. You are wonderful, and I will see you in the next one.